Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to perform standard verification with your FEA model with use of SDC Verifier and ANSYS Mechanical. In order to start SDC Verifier, please double-click on the model button here in the workbench. After that, your ANSYS Mechanical and SDC window will open. As you can see, SDC reads all the properties from your ANSYS model as materials, properties, FEM loads and constraints, which can be used for the analysis. In order to create the check, we need to set up our job. Job contains of individual loads, which represents the calculation steps in ANSYS. The next step is to create the load sets, which are a linear combination of our individual loads together with safety factors. In order to represent the absolute maximum results, we need to create our load group, where we can include our load sets or our individual loads in order to represent our results. In order to add any of the check, according to standard, you need to go to the model tree and right click on the standard button here and press add. Or you can also do it from the top ribbon, where in the tab standard I will add EN 14001 standard. As you can see, small pop-up window will occur where a user have to fill manually all the input, which SDC cannot read automatically from your model. You can set it up also automatically as a standard custom settings, which I will do now. After pressing OK, the standard is added in our model tree. In order to perform the check, please open the standard ribbon and find the check which you would like to calculate. After right-clicking on any of the check, you have possibility to add the represent the results by table or by plot. After opening the plot window, we can set up our individual load set or load group, which we would like to represent, our parameter, direction, and the model view. Also on right hand side we can set up the selection of the model which we would like to represent. After clicking this button, preview, SDC will calculate the check. You can track the progress on the bottom here. And after check is calculated, SDC will plot the results directly in our ANSYS model. If we go back to our ANSYS Mechanical, we can preview that SDC plotted our utilization factor of static stress check according to EN 14001. If we go back to SDC, we can also represent the results in the table by adding the table here, again choosing our load, choosing if we would like to show on extreme values or all values for each element, and after pressing fill the table button, all the results are plotted in our SDC window.